And today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Google Sheets for generation SEO meta titles and descriptions. First of all, we need ChatGPT in Google Sheets add-on. I will left the link for this add-on at the video description. So after installation, click on Extensions, click on GPT for Docs, Sheets, Forms, Slides, click on Launch button. It will open a sidebar with functions documentation. So let's generate SEO titles. For this, I have several keywords and I'm going to use GPT function. Let's copy example, paste it into the column, and let's provide arguments for this function. So first one is actual R prompt. Let's write SEO optimized meta title, keep it shorter, and include year 2024. And the second one, we will use our keywords. So let's provide the cell as a second argument. Click on enter. Awesome, it has generated SEO title for first one. Let's generate for others. To do this, let's just pull down the cell. Amazing! We have just generated 20 titles for our keywords. After applying the function, click on Replace GPT formulas. It will replace functions with actual values. Alright, let's generate SEO optimized meta description. To do this, let's copy the GPT function example, insert it into the cell, and let's replace example arguments. First one is a prompt, and the next one is argument for this prompt. Let's provide the cell and click enter. Cool. Let's apply to others. Rows. Cool. We have just generated 20 titles and descriptions just for 2 minutes. After using GPT functions, don't forget to click Replace GPT formulas to provide with the text. That's it. Thank you for watching.